Yay!
Yay! So guys, watch me go down the slide, yeah?
Yeah. Go on then, Henry. Yay, go on then. Whoop. Yay. Just a nice little soft pusher. There you go, boys. You got to swing your legs. Tuck your legs in when you go backwards, and then push them out when you go forward. Nice one, Henry. Go on then, Henry. I'll try and catch you at the bottom, yeah? Whoa! Whoa! That is cool, isn't it? Go on then, Mugs. Whoa!
Look on the alligator.
Oh, seesaw.
That's the alligator.
Yeah. You're gonna have a rock on it. Okay, go on then. That's it. Now put. That's it. Now seesaw. Woo.
I see some bunny rabbits over there.
Okay. Oh, look at that one. Look, he's a cutie. Ah,
There's one.
that one's cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's having some of his water. Look, they're fighting over the water. Like, who's gonna have water? Sniff the camera. Sniff the camera. Sniff the camera. That was cute, wasn't it?
Yeah. The next one.
Well, that one's having a sleep, but his eyes are closed. He's tired.
Yeah.
So, Splat fans, if you're wondering why we're actually in Wales, it's been a bit top secret. Oscar is presenting Monster Jam, the monster truck show for the BBC and BBC News Round. So he's doing that today with his cousins Charlie and Chanel, who you saw on our Head Splat video. If you haven't seen it, head over, watch that video after this one, of course. And if you want to see more cool things of Henry, make sure to subscribe, guys. You're not sitting in the middle, it's going a bit funny. Woo. Whoa. Say hello to the Splat fans.
Hello.
Just stopped for a slush puppy, boys, aren't we? We're going to go on these in a bit. Look at these, look. Yeah, go on, Henry. Go on then. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, Jackson's taking over. Go, Jack. God, mine's super slow.